So my name is Roze Kolaj. I am the project coordinator here at Holt, and I work at the JFK Terminal 8 Rosedale office. I've been working at Holt for 5 years. My favorite thing about working at Holt is actually the team. We do have a lot of great team members. We do work well with one another. Here at the JFK Terminal 8, we all have different experience and backgrounds. One of my favorite things about Holt is they lump up different types of backgrounds together, and we all collectively work well with one another and come up with great ideas. Women in construction from the past to now has significantly increased with the opportunities for women in construction. For example, labor force on the actual job site within the trades. Outside of the office type of opportunity, what I've also noticed is that the men actually support the women a lot in the industry. They're there for them. They help them build their career path, teach them anything that they need, especially the site personnel.